Hey guys, what's up? Hunter here. In this video, I'm going to share one super powerful tool that's going to help you quit porn for good and never fear urges again. At least over time, you're going to get to that point where you're never freaking afraid of urges again. I can imagine you're sick and tired of counting streaks. Maybe you've done nofap and you've exerted a ton of willpower. Maybe you've gone 30, 60, 90 days, 6 months, a year without looking at porn, and then you fall back into it over and over and over and over and over again. And you get to the point where you're just terrified of urges, right? Like you just don't know when that next urge is going to come up, and you don't know if you're going to have the strength to overcome it. Well, here's the tool that I've used to decondition my brain and literally get to the point where 98% of the urges that I used to struggle with are basically completely gone. They either don't come up at all, or they very rarely come up. And if they do come up, I'm not afraid of them and I know exactly how to handle them. And here's what I do. So it's called the stop, drop, and breathe method, okay? It's nothing new, but it's very effective. First off, you have to call out the fact that you're experiencing an urge. You need to bring up your awareness enough that you notice what's going on when it's happening, okay? So you start feeling this vibration, this sensation in your body, right? That is an urge. It's basically anything that's compelling you to want to go and use pornography. And you're just saying, yep, that's what I'm feeling right now. You're calling it out. I know that sounds super simple, but a lot of this is we're completely disconnected from ourselves, and we're not even recognizing that we're feeling this in our body. So you stop and call it out. Then you drop into your body. What am I feeling right now? I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling overwhelmed, I'm feeling powerless, I'm feeling resentful, bitter, angry. Okay, what are the emotions that you're feeling? Because you're probably trying to use pornography to cope with and deal with these emotions. Also, what sensations am I feeling in my body? Where is it? What's going on? Okay, do I feel this tension in my neck, in my back, in my chest? Am I clenching my jaw? Do I feel arousal in my groin? Where are you feeling it? Do I feel this sick pit of anxiety in my stomach? Is that what I'm trying to run from? You need to get tuned in with what's going on with you. And the more you do, the more you're going to understand what's going on, and you can process through it. And then what you do, also, here's another pointer as well. Write down, if you have paper, the negative narrative that's in your head. Get all the thoughts out of your head, because you're spinning up a frickin' tornado and you're making things worse than what they probably actually are. So if you have thoughts in your head man, I'm just such a worthless piece of trash, or I'm so angry at this person, and you're just fuming, get it out of you and onto a page. And that's the dropping into your body. It's like emotions, sensations, narrative in your head. Get it out of you. And then you just breathe, man. Breathe through it. You could do 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. You could change it up. You could try 5 seconds in and out. I like doing 4 seconds in and 6 seconds out. That works good for me. But you just breathe, man. You just breathe. And you breathe until it starts to go away. You breathe until you are a little bit more grounded, a little bit more regulated, and feel like you can carry on, okay? You need to get those feelings and sensations moving through your body. The more stuck they are, the more stagnant they are, the more powerful those urges are going to become, because your body's just trying to get it moving. So get it moving by breathing. And sometimes the urges don't completely go away. And that's where you just get up and it's take the urge to work day, right? Take your kid to work day. You just have that urge with you, imagine it, picture it like it's that little kid version of yourself that's just trying to get through the day. You say, hey, I got your back. We're feeling this urge. It's all right. It's going to be all right. We can handle this. We can do this. We're going to get through this. And you just move on. Okay. Now, here's the secret is you just cannot run anymore. Again, you've tried that. So stop running. Instead of getting really good at running from yourself, get really good at holding yourself. Get really good at breathing. Get really good at regulating those emotions. It's a skill that has to be practiced and learned. And you absolutely can. You're no worse than anybody else. Okay, you're human just like the rest of us. And you can absolutely learn these skills. So if this is helpful, hit that subscribe button, and even there's a link below this video. If you want hands-on help, if you're sick of doing this by yourself and you're sick of failing, click the link below the video. If got a free training for you, and you can even apply to work with me hands-on. We can put this behind you for good. That's it, guys. We'll see you later.